Are you looking for the top 5 best e-bikes under $1,500? What they don't tell you before buying an e-bike under $1,500. There's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Most budget e-bikes look great online, but hidden flaws like weak brakes, shaky rocks, or poor visibility only show up after you ride them. Let's fix that.
Product number 1. TXZSX Adjustable Bike Mirrors. First up, the TXZSX Adjustable Handlebar Bike Mirrors for just $19.99. These caught my eye because safety on e-bikes often gets ignored, especially rear visibility. If you want to ride confidently in traffic without constantly twisting your neck, this is worth a serious look. The HD shatterproof lenses give a wide, clear view, and the 360-degree rotation means you can fine-tune the angle no matter your riding position. Installation is tool-free with the included hex key, and they fit most flat handlebars, MTB, e-bikes, even scooters. Honestly, for under $20, it's a no-brainer upgrade. Now, some people complained about the mirrors vibrating at high speeds. Here's the thing though. Tightening the clamps and adjusting the angle usually fixes it. These aren't race grade, but for city commuting or trail riding, they're solid. This is perfect for you if you ride in busy areas or want better awareness without spending on a camera system. Skip this one if you have drop handlebars or only ride on quiet trails. At this price, it's an easy win for safety. Product number 2, Tobewolf Hydraulic Disc Brake Set. Now, if the mirror's vibration issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach: braking power. The Tobewolf Hydraulic Disc Brake Set at $42.31 is a serious upgrade for any e-bike with weak stock brakes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. E-bikes are heavy and fast, so stopping power isn't optional, it's critical. These hydraulic calipers with 160mm rotors deliver smooth, consistent braking even in rain or mud. The ceramic pads reduce noise and wear, and the aluminum levers feel solid in your hands. Installation takes time. You'll need to bleed the system and align the calipers, but the performance jump is real. Now, some people complained about minor oil leaks during setup. Here's the thing though, that's normal when swapping brake lines, and it doesn't affect function if you clean it up. Just follow the manual carefully. This is perfect for you if you're upgrading an older e-bike or riding steep hills. Skip this one if you're not comfortable doing basic bike maintenance. For the price, it's one of the best safe. Product number 3, Ludica Rechargeable Wheel Lights. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for visibility. The Ludica Rechargeable Bike Wheel Lights at $14.99 are fun, functional, and surprisingly effective. If you ride at night, you know front and rear lights aren't enough. Cars can miss you from the side. These spoke lights fix that by making your entire wheel glow in 7 colors, with motion sensors that auto on when you ride and off after a minute of stopping. Charging takes just 1 hour for 12 hours of runtime, perfect for daily commuters. They're waterproof, tool-free to install, and fit any wheel size, including e-bikes and balance bikes for kids. Now, some people said the plastic feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, they're not built to survive crashes, but for normal riding, they hold up fine. This is perfect for you if you want to stand out at night or make your kids' bikes safer. Skip this one if you only ride during the day. At under $15, it's a fun, functional safe. Product number 4, Mohigia Fat Tire Replacement. Now, if the wheel lights made you think about traction, this next one's a game changer for rough terrain. The Mohigia 20x4.0 Fat Tire at $36.67 is built for e-bikes that tackle sand, snow, or trails. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Stock e-bike tires often wear fast or slip on loose ground. These fat tires have oversized knobs for grip and thick rubber for puncture resistance, rated for up to 266 pounds. They fold for shipping, so let them sit flat for a day before installing. They work on 20-inch or 26-inch wheels and are perfect for beach rides, snow, or off-road adventures. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky due to stiffness. Here's the thing though, that's normal with fat tires. A little soap and patience go a long way. This is perfect for you if you ride on uneven or soft surfaces. Skip this one if you only ride on pavement. Regular tires are faster and cheaper. For all-terrain e-bike riders, this is a smart, affordable. Product number 5. Tanks Hitch by Grack for e-bikes. Finally, if you're transporting your e-bike, the Tanks Hitch rack at $159.82 is built like a tank. Here's why this matters for you specifically. E-bikes are heavy. Most racks can't handle them. This one supports up to 160 pounds total, fits 2-inch hitches, and holds fat tires up to 5 inches wide. The anti-wobble system keeps everything stable, and the tilt feature lets you access your trunk without unloading bikes. It's foldable, potted, and comes with all tools. Assembly is straightforward. Now, some people said it's heavy at 33 pounds. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the reinforced steel, which is why it's so sturdy. This is perfect for you if you frequently transport heavy e-bikes or mountain bikes. Skip this one if you only carry lightweight road bikes or don't have a hitch. For the capacity and stability, it's one of the best values on.
So which one's right for you? The mirrors boost safety on a budget, the brakes upgrade stopping power, the lights add visibility, the tires handle tough terrain, and the rock makes transport easy. None are perfect, but each solves a real problem under $1,500. Pick what fits your ride and ride smarter.